Kim from Shepherd's Valley Homestead here. I'm in the barn. I'm going to show you something. We're going to be making some hay feeders, taking you along on the process of making one of the hay feeders. Alright, so we have a hay feeder for the sheep. Oh boy. Over here. This is a 6-foot hay feeder, and we are going to be making another one of these for over in the other stall that the sheep come to in the evening in the cut list. And instructions will be on our website, so be sure to head over to shepherdsvalleyhomestead.com and sign up to get our newsletter. The cut list and everything will be made available over there through our loft membership. We're still trying to train our puppy to stay with the sheep. So what my husband did today, I'm not sure if it's going to stay that way, is he attached her to their hay trough. And the sheep are out in the hayfield eating grass. What we are doing here is cutting 4 6-foot pieces of 1x4 to have the top and bottom pieces for the hay feeder that we are building. to recap what we did with the wood, we have 4 6-foot pieces of 1x4 for the tops and the bottom. We have 2 16-inch down to 15 1/4 pieces for the top of the feeder, and this is the bottom of the feeder. It's 13 inches on the top down to 12 1/4. And then we cut 4 pieces at 20 inches long to create the box.
Oh, maybe. What?
Dude! We put the slats on the wrong side.
No, I didn't.
Yes, we did. This is the angled. We put all these on the flat side.
We put this whole thing together backwards.
Yeah, we put it all together ass backwards.
Why did you do that?
Time to undo it. All right, now that we got everything tore apart again, we're starting over. All right, so here it is. We got it in the barn, but that is one of the pens that the sheep go in at night. And this is the other pen, and it has the feeder too. They're both 6-foot feeders. And this stall here, the 4-foot feeder, is going to come in here. And I'm thinking we're going to put it over on this wall here. Because the grain feeder that we have is going to hang right on this part here. And then her water will be underneath in a bucket. But yeah, that's later on this week, so you'll have to stick around, subscribe, and you'll see what's happening for the rest of the week. And just like that, it is evening. It got dark. The yard lights are on. And we're done for the day. We're heading in to have our own supper. And yeah, start it all over again tomorrow. Have a good one, friends.